Okay, algebra half. I'll try to even get the right videos on the right place, okay? Algebra half, lesson 100, advanced ratio problems. This is your century lesson 100. When it says advanced ratio problems, it really doesn't mean anything. They're just going to do what I've always had you doing anyway. How many parts are there to a ratio? There's always 3. There's a part, and a total, okay? So they're going to give you 2 parts. We have the ratio side and we have the actual number side. They're going to give you 2 numbers over here. You have to find the third. They're going to give you one of the 3 over here, and you have to find the other 2. It's not a big deal. You've been doing this. You're actually pretty good at it. You're very good at it. Lesson 100.1, the first example, the ratio of nuts to bolts is 11 to 2. So whenever you have your ratio, you write it down. Have 11 to 2. This is nuts. This is bolts. What I don't have here is the total. 11 plus 2 is 23, right? 13. There's nuts, there's bolts, and there's a total, okay? And then it says if there were 260 nuts and bolts in the pile. Nuts and bolts, that's this. And that number again was 260. So I want to find the number of bolts and the number of nuts. It says how many are bolts. Find everything, okay? This times this divided by this is this. But you can shortcut. 13 times what is 26? 13 times 2 is 26. So it's going to be times 20 times 20 times, wow, I can't even write anymore. 20. Make sense? So this is 40 and 220. This plus this is this. Okay? I don't think I went too fast for you there. Let's look at another one here, another example. Farmer Dunkowski, wow, this is a Polish guy, wanted to plant his farm with wheat and corn. So I'm going to label those first. We have wheat, we have corn, and we have total. All right, that's a C. Wheat and corn in the ratio of 7 to 9. 7 to 9. Total here, 16. Blah, blah, blah. If you had 640 acres. If you had 640 acres, total acreage is right here. So that number is 640. Find the corn. Find the wheat. All right? If you want to do it old school way, to find this one, this times this divided by this is this. This, take away that, is that. Or this times this divided by this is this. Doesn't matter which way you go. I'm too lazy. I don't want to do it for you. The biggest thing is write it down. You know how to solve ratios. I don't have any problem with you guys doing that. But find both of them just in case. If you write down the wrong one, you have both of them anyway. Label stuff. You all know that. I'm going to do the last example. Just set it up. When the race began, the ratio of professionals to amateurs, 2 to 17. Professionals to amateurs, 2, 17. Total would be right around 19, all right? 3,800 racers, that's a total. And I bet you anything 19 times something is that, like times 2. So you'd times 200 like that. You understand what I did there? If you'd rather this times this divided by this, same thing. Or just times 200 all the way across. Okay? You guys are excellent. You're doing wonderful. Make sure you get your corrections done. Kaylee, you pretty much got them. Ethan, let's get them done. Get them in on this. Get your test done. I'm still missing that for a long time. You may have sent that to me. I just didn't see it. So just send it to me again.